Hello friends, if you followed our last video on the home menu, you'll notice that we stopped somewhere. So I think this will be the last video on the features on the home menu. Remember the home menu? This is where we are talking about home menu. This will be the last video on the features on the home menu. So we'll dive into it immediately. Here is the alignment icon. Is a shortcut for the alignment. Our alignment means how you want your left side, your right side, and the top and the bottom of your work to look like. We have the left alignment, we have the center, we have the right, and also we have the justify. This justify is the basic alignment we use mostly when we are typing a work, like a very thesis. It makes the work, both the right and the left side, to be on equal line. If you see a work that is well aligned, it looks very neat. But if a work you are working and use your left alignment, which the system always comes with, the work will look chamfered. It will look very chamfered, and you will not like how it will appear after printing. But the center alignment, you use the center alignment mainly if you want to center a write-up. Like for instance, this now, if you want to center this write-up, you just have to click on the center alignment. All these things have their shortcut, which we're going to show you in the next video. You see, it has been centered. But if you don't want to center everything here, you just want to center the the beginning of this thing, like it's a topic now. For instance, this is a topic of what you're doing. I want it to be centered on this page. You just highlight it specifically and click on the center. You see, it has been centered. Because this thing is not filled, doesn't fill the page, so it's looking this way. This is the center of this page now. That is a function of this icons here, this icon. But remember, this is, you can see how this one is looking. It's looking everywhere is just equal. The left and the right, the center, the top and the bottom, they're just an equal, kind of equal measurement in a square form. So this is the tool, or the alignment you use for your work. Unless a particular place or heading you want to center it, or you want to put it on the right or the left, you have to specify. But the body of the work should be on the justify. It gives you a very neat and pleasant look. So here now we have the line and the paragraphing. The line and the paragraphing. I think we saw this thing in the font. All these things are the shortcut to all those places. We saw them in the font. If you want it to be on the 1 point, you want to be on the 1.5, you want it to be on the double line spacing, you have to do it here. And remember, like we did in our last video, if you want to see the video, you have to go back to our first video and see where we did this paragraphing. I told you that there is something here you have to remove. You see, you can see it's on the 8 points here. If you don't put it on 0, any page, the spacing you apply to this work will not be the exact page. It will be added by 8 points. If you are given a double and that thing is still on 8, it will be 8.2.8, which is not the normal spacing you're supposed to choose. So you have to remove that and put it on 0. Either you do it on the paragraph here, or you do it here on the insert. You see it here, on the page layout. You can see it here. You see it. You put this thing on 0. You see, when I was clicking, this place was adjusting. So that is that for. So here, the line spacing, like I said, here is the fill. This shading is mainly, we use it for painting our graphics work. That is when you see, because this will fill any place you want it to color. It will just fill it. We use it for graphics, and maybe mostly in the birds like that. So we'll still come across this thing in future. For now, we'll leave it there. And here we have the borders. Yes, we have borders. And these borders, we use these borders when we have shapes. That is when you see the effect of all these things you're seeing here. They take effect very well when we are using shapes. So when we work, by the time we go to our shapes, we'll be working on these borders. We'll be looking at borders, how to use borders. Even on table, you can still use it on table. Have a table. If you want to remove a line from the table, you say no border. the table, the work will be looking at it like a table form, but there will be no lines. So you remove no border and all these things. We'll still come back to these things when we look at shapes. So here is how you want your fonts to appear. But I have to highlight this thing because already I've typed them. If you see, this is the normal is on the normal. Anyone I click, you see the adjustment it makes. No spacing. You see, no spacing. Heading. It gives me that form of heading. See the way it separates. So this is it. You can see how many points each one is carrying. This one is used for title. It's used for title, subtitle. So all these forms of these alphabetical they are used for different headings. If you want to write, you will write. Then these ones, they have their shortcut to find. If you want to find a file, if you click on this page to bring out a dialog box, it can help you to navigate. Then you type the name of what you were looking for here. You type the name. If you have the headings, the pages, and whatever, you type it to bring out the name for you. You can just close this thing. Then when you type, you replace. You click on this replace. It brings out a dialog box for you. When you type whatever you're looking for and you see the word, you just click and you replace it to wherever it should be. This select we use it mainly on objects. Select, it gives me this pointer. This pointer becomes active. If I'm using shapes now, I click on this, it will bring out the pointer very well. Then I'll just select that pointer to make it active for me to give it any action. You'll be seeing that when we start using shapes. So this is it for the home menu. The home menu. If there are things there, features there you have not touched and you want to know about it, just let us know in the comment section. Okay. Yeah, this editing feature. The editing feature here. If I want to clear, like you bring something from the internet and you want to clear the some of the features on the internet the document came with, you have to use your editing, and you say clear all. It will clear everything I have done here, clear all. It will bring it to the normal, and I will have to start afresh to add some effect to the work again. That is the work of this editing. So for now, I think we have touched the basic things we need to know on this menu, this home menu, the home menu. So in our next video, we're going to look at referencing. Referencing is used mainly if you are doing a project work, thesis, how to do your referencing, how to insert footnotes and all that, endnotes, and how to do your citation, a bibliography, the tools you can use to create your bibliography for easy arrangement. It will just be fixing everything for you. You don't need to struggle at the end of your work. And how to do your citations. We shall be looking into those things in our next video. So let us know in the comment section if there are features or menus you want to know more about, we did not touch well, and you want to know about them. Just let us know in the comment section, and I will have to go back to it and let us know some things. Remember, in the insert menu, we have not finished it. We're gonna go back to it. I went to the page layout to let us know how to set our page before beginning anything. So see you in our next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button to get notified whenever we load our videos, and please like. Thank you.